In today's world, humans are surrounded by an environment that can be quite unhealthy in many ways. Our diets often consist of processed and fried foods, packed with excessive amounts of salt and sugar. Overeating and obesity are more prevalent than ever, and alcohol consumption is common. These habits can put a heavy burden on the liver, causing it to become overworked and overloaded. It's vital to take care of the liver, and there are certain foods that can help support its health. While the idea of liver-cleansing foods is debated due to limited scientific backing, certain foods may still play a role in supporting liver health and addressing specific liver conditions. Experts, including those from the Liver Foundation, recommend avoiding fatty foods and alcohol to reduce the risk of liver diseases. Here are some foods that naturally help promote liver health. Garlic. According to holistic nutritionist Hamit Sui, garlic activates liver enzymes that contribute to liver health. Even small amounts of garlic can assist in liver detoxification thanks to its high content of allicin and selenium, both of which aid in cleansing the liver. Garlic also contains vitamin B6, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Leafy green vegetables. Dr. Frank Lipman, in an article for Mind Body Green, notes that leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and arugula are rich in chlorophyll, which helps remove heavy metals, pesticides, and toxins from the bloodstream. These vegetables are excellent for liver detox and can be enjoyed in various ways, such as raw, cooked, or juiced. Nuts. A study in the World Journal of Gastroenterology highlighted that nuts have therapeutic potential in managing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. They are high in healthy fats, vitamin E, and beneficial plant compounds. Consuming nuts has been linked to improved liver enzyme levels and can prevent fat buildup in the liver. Turmeric. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric boosts the liver's detoxification abilities and strengthens the enzymes that help eliminate dietary toxins. Research in the Indian Journal of Physiology and Pharmacology suggests that turmeric extract can enhance liver function by supporting detoxification processes. Lemons and limes. Packed with vitamin C, these citrus fruits assist the body in converting toxins into water-soluble substances that are easily flushed out. A study in Biomed Research International found that lemon juice had beneficial effects on alcohol-induced liver damage in mice. Drinking fresh lemon or lime juice in the morning can stimulate liver function. Green tea. Studies, including one in nutrition and cancer, indicate that green tea consumption may help prevent liver cancer. Rich in catechins, antioxidants that support liver health, green tea is a great choice. It's best to drink brewed green tea, as green tea extract may have negative effects on liver health. Berries. According to research published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology, berries like blueberries and cranberries contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants with anti-inflammatory and anticarcinogenic properties. Apples. A study from the University of Iowa found that mice fed ursolic acid, a compound found in apple skins, were less likely to develop liver disease related to obesity, even when consuming more food than others. Whole grains. Research in the International Journal of Endocrinology shows that individuals who consume higher amounts of whole grains are at a lower risk of liver disease, especially non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Broccoli and cauliflower. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are known to protect the liver and support detoxification. Studies published in the Journal of Food Science and the World Journal of Gastroenterology confirm their liver-boosting effects. Beets. Research in nutrients reveals that beetroot juice can reduce liver damage and inflammation. Like cruciferous vegetables, beet juice also enhances the liver's detoxifying enzymes. Coffee. Regular coffee consumption may reduce the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and liver inflammation, according to the Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology. Studies also show that coffee helps lower the risk of cirrhosis and liver cancer. Fatty fish. Oily fish like salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, can help reduce fat accumulation in the liver and improve liver enzyme levels. Research in the World Journal of Gastroenterology highlights the anti-inflammatory benefits of these healthy fats. Water. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health, and drinking plenty of water supports liver function. Proper hydration helps thin the blood, improve digestion, and maintain a healthy weight, all of which ease the strain on the liver. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.